Alrighty, we've just come to this Mitsubishi Lancer 2000 and really an 010.
Yeah, it's got the battery on charge. And we're almost full.
So I've made two keys programmed in the remote. So car locks, car unlocks, car locks, car unlocks.
We'll turn the charger off. This hasn't been started in quite a few years. Just take that off. Don't know if this car's actually going to start or not start. It's the average.
Let's just try it. Not sure if you need the clutch in on these Mitsubishis or not. Make sure it's out of gear. I believe the gearbox is actually broken anyhow. Kind of wants to run. And it runs after all those years. He said it's been about 4 or 5 years or whatever. Can't remember. Okay, so that's one key done. Try the other one. Let's see if this light is going to flash. I didn't see it flashing before. Lock the car. Does that flash? Just right here. Is that a mobiliser? Should be flashing. It didn't. If you know why, leave the comment. So let's just try this other key. Car's running. Tyres are flat, everything's flat.